We're now going to talk about a specific type of rate of change called the difference quotient. And the idea is if I have some graph and I have some point x, I want to know how much it changes by as I go h away from it. And we want h to be small. The smaller the better. So the more decimals before a 1, the more number of zeros before a 1, the better. And the difference quotient comes from finding the difference between x, so let a be x, and b be x plus h in our average rate of change formula. So f of x plus h minus f of x over x plus h minus x, which gives us the difference quotient, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And so this is what you need to know, but you can derive it from the formula if you're careful about what you're looking at. So let's look at a particular example. Let's suppose that f of x is equal to minus x squared plus x minus 3, and I want to find the difference quotient. So we start by looking at f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now if we look at this carefully, this means that wherever we see an x, we're going to put in x plus h. So we're going to x plus h squared plus x plus h minus 3 minus, and that's my first term. My second term is simply a minus x squared plus x minus 3 all over h. Well, we can distribute or use the perfect square trinomial, so we're going to get a minus times an x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus x plus h minus 3. Distribute a plus x squared, a minus x, and a plus 3 all over h. Let's distribute one more time. Minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared plus x plus h minus 3 plus x squared minus x plus 3 all over h. And notice when we combine like terms, we get a minus x squared and a plus x squared, a plus x and a minus x, and a minus 3 and a plus 3. This leaves us with only minus 2xh minus h squared plus h all over h, and I can factor an h out, leaving a minus 2x minus h plus 1 all over h. The h divides out, and we're left with minus 2x minus h plus 1. This is our difference quotient. And so I can use different values of x and h to figure out the slope, the average rate of change for any given value of x and h, any given point and how far away from it I want to be. That's how we find the difference quotient.